Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be drawing lips in Adobe Draw. I'm currently adding the base right now. I did this video in hyperlapse, that's why it's moving so fast. I try to slow it down as much as possible for this edit, but I think you guys can still maybe pause the video and catch each and every step that I'm doing. Right now, I am getting my shadows and highlights in line and changing the opacity to match the actual shade of the lips. It's best to get your shadows and highlights out of the way at the beginning, so when you start to add your details, it's pretty easy to blend them all together. Right now I am getting the dark shadows in the creases of the mouth, so you can give it that pop, you know. Right here guys, when you're doing the dark shadows in Adobe Draw, it's best to lower the opacity to about 10 to 15%. That way you can build on the shadows instead of having a strong color at the beginning. I focus a lot on the crease of the mouth because that's where majority of the shadows are, and the creases of the mouth area, it helps to separate the lips and to give the lips a 3D effect. Some people might not like to use a reference photo when you do these drawings, but this video is targeted for beginners and people who may not feel comfortable with drawing their own lips, shape of a lip, and you probably just wanted to, get an outline of a lip and base your structure from there. It's pretty easier this way. It's fun both ways as an artist, but you can't lie, it's pretty easy this way. So as I said before, I already started adding the shadows and everything in the creases and certain areas of the mouth. So now I am blending the colors together. So when you blend in Adobe Draw, you lower the opacity even more from 10 to probably about 5 or 8%, and you blend the dark shadows with the base of the lip so that it looks flush. Another tip when you're doing highlights, if you do the first highlight, you can lower the opacity like right there, and then you can apply a more brighter highlight on top of the lowered opacity one to give it a more 3D effect, and it makes it look glossy and cute. And you add your cute little background. Make sure you add the shadow underneath the lip so you could get the vibes, you know. You may have it dark at first, you just shape it out the way you want it to, and the trick here is to also lower the opacity, guys. The stronger the color, sometimes it throws off the whole drawing. It's best to have like a like a subtle shadow, just like that, and you're done.